Wow, it's raining!
I can feel the raindrops.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Welcome to the Morning Grove.
We're so happy to have you.
Thank you. Wow, look! The raindrops are sliding down the glass. And look outside, what are those?
Just enjoying the rain.
It smells so good.
It's almost ready.
Perfect for a rainy day.
Look, it's moving! So fast!
Heading towards the trunk.
So cute. I'm making a boat. Cool. Mine's a frog.
This is a lovely afternoon.
It is. Wow, look at them all.
They're so pretty.
Welcome to Morning Grove.
Our new home.
Look, it's floating away.
Wow, the sun is shining for it.
A magical journey. Look, the rain is dripping from the leaves.
Wow, it's like a waterfall. Can we go
Here
see?
you go, my dears.
Thank you! They're so soft!
And the forest spirits came alive as the moon rose.
Wow, look! What happens next?
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Grandpa, look at the sky!
A perfect evening. Look at all the fireflies.
Wow, they're everywhere!
It's so beautiful.
I want to catch one!